Greetings everybody and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to update n8n on Railway. So without any further ado, let's just begin. So currently, as you can see, I have this official guide here that you can utilize. So if you're on n8n like this, you are going to be needing to update for the latest version. You can see I have created a node and we can move it around. So let me just switch back to the updating section. So basically, first of all, what you are going to be doing is that you need to update, you need to pull the latest Docker image for n8n, and once you have that, you're going to be rebuilding your container and then restart your service with the latest version. Once you do that, you're going to be this is the backbone of the entire process and how it works. So pretty easy, and if we simply jump down, you will be able to see a detailed depth and more of in detail know-how how you can do it. So we're going to be opening your Railway dashboard, find your n8n service, and then you're going to be clicking on redeploy, which is the next step, and finally you're going to be waiting for the built-in bot. So once you make sure that everything is done, you are going to be having the latest version of n8n using the Railway. So it is usually used for the latest version. So now back to n8n. So yeah, that is how you do it, and make sure to subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in the next video.